Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. I am using a 2HP pencil. So today I am drawing a basic scenery of a village. So take out your paper and draw with me. First of all, I am drawing a tree just like this and then shading the leaves of the tree in these strokes. You can easily learn with me by watching my videos. Do visit my channel and my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment on my channel to let me know how did you like my drawing, how is it, and what should I draw for you in the future. So in this manner I am shading the bark of the tree. You should hold the pencil just like this. Now taking the scale, I am drawing a house at the right side. It should be precise by using the scale each and every line. Drawing 2 roofs above and a veranda. Now drawing a window and a door. Now shading the upper roof in downward strokes. For the strokes I'm using a 6HP pencil. To look it more darker, you can use a simple pencil. Shading the door in the black and the lower part also in black. Now I'll make another tree just adjacent to the house in the same manner as I have drawn the other tree, and shading it also in the same way. Now shading the bark of the tree using the pencil in such horizontal manner that it gives natural strokes to the bark of the tree. Now I am drawing a big pitcher by the side of the tree, usually used for water in village areas to keep it colder. I'm shading the upper part in downward strokes, and then from the beneath I am shading it in upward strokes. So drawing another utensil just right near to the pitcher in such a manner, and drawing a straight line directed to the tree and shading its. Now taking a scale, drawing a straight line and drawing the bushes in back. Drawing another tree in a far proportion and drawing some grass with the tree and a little bit to flowers. Now drawing a little small sun as it's far away and giving it some lighter shade on one side. And that's it, our scenery is done. Now we will shade the bushes. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my video. Allah Hafiz. We'll meet in next video.